Queue is similar to stack. In stack, we follow LIFO principle, last in, first out. In queue, we follow first in, first out, FIFO principle. The element which we enter first, it will be removed first. So it is like first come, first serves. Same code, but you just need to change one thing. See, this is the code for stack, right? So here we are writing append. Same here also you need to write append. That is only change here. So this is the code for queue. In queue just need to change this append same as it is in stack. Here just this step only you are adding in the queue. Okay, so in just change the keywords like in stack we use a push a pop, in this Enqueue and Dequeue. Same, change the name. Stack change the stack name to queue. That's all. Same code. See, first I entered these three elements. So which element will be popped out first? 10, because it came first into the stack. Sorry, queue. First option Enqueue. Enqueue means to push the element. I want to push 10. So element entered. Next one, 20. 20 element is inserted. 30. Next. So I want to display. See, in this order only it is this. Okay. For removing 2. See, DQ operation performed now. Now you can just display the elements. See, 10 is popped because it came first into the queue.